Today's recipe is non-alcoholic pina colada. This is a double recipe. I'm going to be making it for 2 people, so I'll be using 2 coconuts and a whole pineapple. If I was just going to make it for 1 person, I would use 1 coconut and half a pineapple. First step is to peel your pineapple. Kind of similar to the citrus, just cut the tops off and cut around the edge. It smells so good. This is our breakfast. We haven't eaten anything or drank anything today yet. We're in the middle of a 90-day liquid diet. So, pretty easy for that, huh? And to make it ready for the juicer, everyone's going to have to cut theirs differently, I'm sure, due to the different size juicers. We have a Breville with a gigantic mouthpiece. So there's the pineapple, which we'll juice in a minute. And then I got to bust open a couple of cocos. Nice. I will put those in the Vitamix and make a nice coconut cream out of that. Number 2, be real careful, keep your hands well away. Obviously I've cut open my fair share of coconuts and it's pretty easy for me. Then you got to get at the meat. Oh, it looks like I'm really not ready for this recipe because I got to put the juicer together. You guys can see how we do this. That's how I put together a Breville juice fountain meat. I have used probably 20 juicers in my life, and this one is the most economical and easiest to use that I've ever found. I bust open the coconuts, and then you probably have a sink, but I like to rinse them out. Sometimes there gets to be little chunks in there when you break it in half. So clean out the chunks. You gotta get more dirt all over it. And rinse it off again. I'm really hungry today. I'm kind of weeble wobbling because I haven't had anything to eat and it's 2 o'clock. We've just got started working, and next thing we knew it was 2 o'clock. So clear the meat out of these coconuts and put it with the water. I like to use a melon baller for this. You can use a spoon or whatever. This is coming out real easy. Sometimes the meat's a little firmer than others and you got to kind of get in there and work at it, but these are real nice. They're nice soft meat. Okay, there we go. And then give it a whirl on the Vitamix here. Get it nice and creamy. Then you're going to want to juice your pineapple. Pretty simple. Pretty easy. Now, to make this look beautiful and official, you have to take a slice of lime. Okay? So you take your coconut milk or cream, add your pineapple juice, and just to make it official, I'm going to give it another whirl in the Vitamix here to mix it real well. It's not necessary. Now if it's a hot day, you can obviously add a little bit of ice to that. I'm sure I could have come up with a better glass, and I'm sure that you will, but I just grabbed the first thing. There you go. That's a non-alcoholic pina colada. Oh. Oh. That is a good drink. Enjoy it. Yum, yum, yum. By the way, you can get those young Thai coconuts at any Asian market, and they're carried by most co-ops or Whole Foods nowadays. All right. Get healthy. You deserve it.